Welcome to Busy Family Happy Life video!
Our busy family loves outdoor activities. On the 4th of July long weekend, we are taking a road trip to Mammoth Lake, California. And here let me give you a list of road trip essentials, especially when you travel with a toddler like us.
The view is beautiful already. We're 90 minutes away. Getting gas. And where's my baby? Hi! Our baby is all dressed up for the trip. Yeah. Show me your back. Show me your back. We are getting ready.
If this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below.
Our channel is all about a family life in sunny California, what we do for fun, and where we go to eat. At the same time, be happy and stay healthy. I always pack lunch and snacks as part of my road trip essential list. A great way to save time and money.
Go. Mantou, Chinese bun, and my home cooking chicken, spicy chicken, and Chinese pickle, 榨菜, Chinese pickle. How do you like it, baby?
Good. Good.
Good for lunch on the way. Well, I don't have shrimp. I have chicken though.
After enjoying a nice quick homemade lunch, we continue our journey to Mammoth Lake, California. This is actually our second visit. We were here about just a few months ago to snowboard, ski with friends. We really enjoy the view, but just a few months apart, the view is so different from winter to summer.
Mammoth Lake in California, and here is where we're going to stay for the next 3 nights. So here we go. Let me walk you in. Space, I think they can use, have better use of it, but oh well. And total 3-story house. Let me take you to upstairs. No sleeping please. The kitchen, we got a lot of stuff here. It's a brand new barbecue set. What are all this? Oh my gosh, a lot of food. Okay,
I guess this much food will be just enough for 12 of us for next 3 days, breakfast, lunch and dinner, 9 adults and 3 young kids.
Here's the living room with beautiful TV and a fireplace. So this one has one bathroom is a king bed, right? This one is a king bed, right? There's a king bed. Now we're going to the third floor. Third floor has 4 rooms. So this one has 3 more king bed. Maybe it's a king bed. And this one has 2 twin bed put together, and beyond a king bed. And then this one has a full plus a single. It's good for a family of 3, so we can stay here for the 3 nights. And this one has 3 single beds. Debbie's rice crispy. And the guys like discussions.
Who's a moo-moo head? That would be a cow.
So we're gonna make a star out of it. Wow.
That's right for that last question.
Woohoo! Look at that.
After enjoying a nice barbecue in the house with everybody, now we are heading over to see fireworks. It is 4th of July weekend, so the fireworks here is really incredible. It starts at 9 p.m., so we are quickly rushing out of the door. And by the way, here are some beautiful views that I have to show you guys. Mammoth Lake is a very famous tourist area in Central California for its snowboard and skiing and hiking and biking and the nature and the town right here. As you can see, there are gas stations, there are hotels, there are restaurants, there are supermarkets. So we are really enjoying the stay over the place. So this is the lake where we are going to see the fireworks.
Wow, it's a perfect spot to watch it. Beautiful. Debbie, will you say it's the highest point? There's the highest point
The
in
highest fireworks in the United States.
the highest fireworks in the United States. Whoa.
I knew we're too early.
We're right on time.
heart. Do you see the heart?
Yes. Upside down. But
Heart.
So beautiful.
Where is Black Wings Party? I saw heart. Heart. It is red. So sweet. I don't like them. I love them.
Everyone is heading back to wherever they stay after viewing this incredible fireworks for the celebration of 4th of July. There are a few hundred cars in front of us and a few hundred cars behind us. Hope you like this video. We shared road trip essentials, room tour of our cottage, and of course, the fireworks. In our next video, we'll share with you more fun stuff.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.